At the Appalachian Conservation Institute, we're responsible for protecting 10,600 acres. Part of that responsibility is land restoration, and we just did our very first burn on one of our bog sites. We had good wind conditions, humidity was down low, all important factors as you start planning these prescribed burns. The burn overall took about an hour and a half, 2 hours to come across 11 acres. So another component today was, we had the Tennessee Department of Forestry join us today, and they conducted the fire, and they allowed us to basically shadow them throughout the entire process. So that way we're going to take this knowledge going forward and start building our own burn plans and start working within ACI to start implementing some of these burns across the property.
This forest is actually a pine oak savanna. It doesn't quite look like that right now, but as we burn, we'll start to remove some of the non-fire tolerant species that are on this hillside and in this area that goes down to our bog. Trying to restore our pine oak savannas back to what they would have originally looked like a long time ago out here. We've got a lot to do. We've got almost 4,000 acres up here to burn. And slowly but surely you'll see this transform into a more open forest with a lot more warm season grasses.
It's very good to be concentrated on your efforts towards safety, and you have to have a system in place from starting in the planning process to mopping up and everything, completing the burns. Environmental safety issues as well as people safety issues.
So we're really excited about this, looking forward to doing more of this in the future. This will be a long-term, almost the pillar of our restoration efforts that we do out here on the property.